this video, we are going to study the flow of liquid through a tube and what is streamlined flow and turbulent flow. Now see, we have seen different layers of liquid flow with different velocities. In case of flow of liquid through a tube, the liquid layer which flows along axis has a maximum velocity and layers which are in contact with wall of tube has a minimum velocity. See the diagram. At the center, the liquid layers or particles moving fast, and at the contact of the wall, the speed of the molecules or speed of the particles are low. Now you see the types of flow. The first type is laminar flow or steady flow. When a fluid moves slowly, its flow is orderly. If every fluid passing through a given point follows the same line of the flow, it is named as laminar flow or a steady flow. Laminar flow, it is also called as streamlined flow, means it is the flow of liquid in which every particle of the liquid moves in the same direction, or we can say they are moves in parallel direction or in line. So that flow is called as a streamlined flow, steady flow or laminar flow. Now the second type of flow is turbulent flow. The flow of the liquid in which every particle is not moving in line and they move in random direction is called as turbulent flow. Means it's exactly opposite to the laminar flow. In laminar flow, all particles move in line, while in turbulent flow, the particles not in line, they are moving randomly. So that flow is called as turbulent flow. So the example of streamlined flow and turbulent flow. Water flowing from a tap is a good example. See the water flowing from the tap. In first diagram, water flowing is steady. So that is called as a laminar flow. And in second, the flow is very fast and randomly. So that flow is called as turbulent flow. See again the flow. Laminar flow, at the center flow is maximum or speed is maximum, and at the wall of container the speed is less. That is the laminar flow. And in turbulent flow, all particles moving randomly. So the difference between laminar flow and turbulent flow. All fluid layers move parallel to each other and do not cross one another. That flow called as a laminar flow. And in turbulent flow, fluid layers cross each other and do not move parallel. That we have seen. The particles move randomly, and that is turbulent flow. In case of laminar flow, generally it occurs in small diameter pipes and flow at low velocity. See in turbulent flow, almost all high velocities and very large diameter pipe flow are turbulent flow. In laminar flow, the flow velocity profile is parabolic and the maximum velocity is at center of the pipeline. Parabolic because at the center the speed is maximum and at the wall of container the speed from the center to wall of the container speed decreases. So the shape look like a parabolic. So the velocity curve we got as a parabolic. And in case of turbulent flow, the velocity profile is almost flat across the center section of the pipe and drops rapidly extremely close to the wall. In case of laminar flow, the average flow velocity is approximately 1/2 of the maximum velocity. And in turbulent flow, the average flow velocity is approximately equal to the velocity at the center of the pipe. In laminar flow, the value of Reynolds number is less than 2000, and in case of turbulent flow, the value of Reynolds number is above 4000. So this is about laminar flow and turbulent flow. Now one more concept is remain, that is critical velocity. See what is critical velocity? The value of velocity of flow of liquid up to which flow is streamlined is called as critical velocity. It is denoted by Vc. If velocity of flow of liquid increases and crosses critical velocity, then particles start moving in random direction. That is, flow becomes turbulent. So the critical velocity is defined as velocity of flow of liquid at which streamlined flow changes into turbulent flow. Now see in the picture, at the start the flow is streamlined, and after a certain velocity this flow converted into turbulent flow. So that velocity, that point is called as critical velocity. So the critical velocity is defined as the velocity of flow of liquid at which streamlined flow changes into turbulent flow. Or we can say up to the velocity up to which the flow becomes streamlined, that velocity is called as critical velocity. In this way we have studied what is streamlined flow, what is turbulent flow, and critical velocity. Thank you.